Welcome back to Tech Dream Gear, the channel where we dive deep into the most revolutionary technologies shaping the future. Today, we're stepping into a mind-blowing innovation in agriculture, one that seems straight out of science fiction: laser-powered farming. For years, farming has relied on blades, mechanical harvesters, and human labor to plant, grow, and collect crops. Even the most advanced AI-driven tractors and robotic arms still physically touch plants to harvest them. But what if farming could be done without any physical contact at all? Imagine high-precision laser beams replacing traditional blades, cutting crops with perfect accuracy. Picture laser-guided weed removal systems that eliminate invasive plants without pesticides. Visualize a future where farms are controlled by AI-driven lasers, making agriculture faster, smarter, and more sustainable than ever before. But how close are we to seeing fully functional laser farms? Is laser technology better than traditional farming tools? Can lasers make agriculture more efficient and environmentally friendly? And most importantly, will farmers still have a role in a laser-powered future? In today's episode, we'll uncover the incredible science behind laser farming, the companies leading the revolution, and how this futuristic technology is becoming reality. If you love exploring the cutting edge of technology, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Tech Dream Gear. Now, let's get started. The evolution of farming, from simple tools to high-tech lasers. Before we dive into how lasers are changing farming, let's take a quick look at how harvesting technology has evolved over time. The era of manual harvesting. For most of human history, farming was a labor-intensive process. Early farmers relied on hand tools like sickles and scythes to cut crops, animal-powered plows to prepare soil, manual labor to pick, sort, and process food. While this method was effective on small farms, it was time-consuming and inefficient for large-scale agriculture. The rise of mechanical farming. With the Industrial Revolution, agriculture saw a major transformation with the invention of mechanical reapers that automated cutting, steam and gasoline-powered tractors to plow fields, combine harvesters that could cut, thresh, and sort crops in one go. This allowed farms to scale up, producing more food with fewer workers. 3. The age of AI and automation. Today, agriculture is becoming smarter with AI-driven technologies, including self-driving tractors that plant and harvest autonomously, robotic fruit pickers that use computer vision to collect ripe produce, drones that monitor crop health from the sky. Despite these advances, farming still relies on physical contact until now. Enter laser-powered agriculture, the next big leap forward. How laser farming works, the science behind the innovation. Laser technology has been widely used in medicine, manufacturing, and space exploration, but researchers are now adapting it for agriculture with groundbreaking results. Laser harvesting, cutting crops without blades. Traditional harvesting relies on metal blades, spinning cutters, and mechanical arms. Laser harvesting, on the other hand, uses focused beams of energy to slice through plants with incredible precision. Infrared and ultraviolet lasers generate concentrated energy pulses. These beams target the exact spot on the plant, making a clean cut. Unlike traditional blades, lasers never dull, break, or require sharpening. 2. AI-powered crop selection for perfect harvests. One of the biggest challenges in agriculture is determining the perfect time to harvest. Laser farming combines AI and machine learning to ensure only the best crops are picked. Computer vision scans the field, analyzing ripeness, color, and moisture content. AI-powered decision-making determines which plants are ready to be cut. Lasers selectively harvest crops, leaving unripe plants untouched. 3. Laser weed control. Eliminating pesticides. Weeds are one of the biggest challenges in farming, often requiring chemical herbicides, which harm the environment. Manual removal, which is expensive and time-consuming. Laser-powered weed control systems can identify and destroy weeds at the root level using AI-driven targeting. Avoid damaging crops, unlike traditional herbicides. Reduce reliance on chemicals, making farming more eco-friendly. By using precision laser beams, farms can permanently eliminate weeds without harming the surrounding ecosystem. The benefits of laser farming over traditional methods. Laser farming isn't just a cool sci-fi concept. It offers real advantages over traditional farming methods. 1. No more blade wear or maintenance. Traditional mechanical harvesters need constant blade sharpening and replacement. Lasers never dull, reducing long-term maintenance costs. 2. Faster and more efficient harvesting. Laser harvesters can cut crops faster than mechanical systems. AI-powered automation allows harvesting to happen 24/7. 3. More sustainable and eco-friendly. No fuel-powered machinery, reducing carbon emissions. Minimal soil disruption, protecting biodiversity. Less water waste thanks to precision harvesting. Higher quality produce with less waste. No crushing, bruising, or overcutting of crops. AI ensures only ripe produce is harvested. Fewer losses due to human error. With these benefits, laser-powered farming could become the new gold standard in agriculture. Who's leading the laser farming revolution? Several companies and research teams are pioneering laser-powered agriculture. Laserweed AI-driven laser farming. Originally focused on laser-based weed removal, now expanding into crop harvesting. Developing fully automated laser farming systems that could work on any crop type. 2. MIT's Laser Agriculture Research, exploring infrared laser harvesting for high-value crops. Using AI-driven laser targeting to optimize energy efficiency. 3. Fraunhofer Institute, Germany's laser farming project. Developing lower-G laser cutters for sustainable farming. Testing laser-based harvesting for greenhouse crops and vertical farms. These projects suggest that laser farming could become widespread within the next decade. Challenges and future development in laser farming. Despite its promise, laser farming still faces challenges that need to be solved. High initial costs. Laser systems are expensive to develop and install. Farmers may hesitate to adopt new, unproven technology. 2. Energy consumption. High-energy lasers require efficient power sources. Future systems may need solar-powered laser harvesting units. 3. Safety concerns. Laser exposure must be carefully controlled to prevent accidents. AI safeguards are needed to prevent overheating or misfires. Experts predict that within 10 to 20 years, laser farming will be a common technology in large-scale agriculture. The future of farming with lasers. Laser farming represents one of the most exciting revolutions in agriculture. By combining AI robotics and laser precision, we could see a future where farms operate with minimal human intervention. But will lasers completely replace farmers? Probably not. Human expertise, experience, and decision-making will always be needed to manage farms. Interpret data, and oversee large-scale food production. Instead of replacing farmers, laser technology will empower them with better tools. It's making agriculture faster, smarter, and more sustainable. What do you think? Will laser-powered farms become the future of agriculture, or will traditional farming always have a place? Let us know in the comments. And if you love exploring the cutting edge of technology, subscribe to Tech Dream Gear for more deep dives into the future of innovation. See you in the next video.